All right, what's going on? Yeah, my name is Cody Watkins, and for my final project, I'm building a soundboard app in Unity. The goal of this app is to create a fun, simple way to play different sounds on your phone, whether it's memes, white noise, or sound effects for like games and stuff. I wanted to build something that I'd actually have fun developing, which I have. This is, uh, and I'm gonna improve what I built for my midterm. Um, and it's been a lot of fun. It's just not. I realize that it's not the best app, but uh, doing my best. So some of the, or actually, sorry. Right now the app can play preloaded sounds, browse categories like new, trending, and recent. I'd like to improve the navigation for that. The sound buttons are laid out in a clean grid, and there's a stop button that's easy to find, which I noticed was an issue with some of the other apps in the Apple App Store. Um, some of the apps that actually inspired me were Instant Buttons, Meme Soundboard 2025, which is actually down here. Some of these right here, I do want to call it. These are all GIFs, which I found like overwhelming. Um, I do like the variety of features that they offer though, but some of them are a little cluttered, like I said, like this one. The target audience for my app um, is kind of broad, in my opinion, but I guess it maybe would be focused on people that want to have buttons for meme sounds or maybe gamers. But you could also have people that like just want to have a background noise for sleep, or like if you wanted a tabletop noises for like D&D or something. Along the way, building this app, I've run into some challenges. For example, switching between scenes originally caused a lot of issues with my sound manager, which took a lot of trial and error to get that figured out, uh, where like the buttons would stop working. I fixed that, and now the app runs a lot more smooth. I also realized how important it is to give users feedback after that previous assignment. So like animations or sound cues, like when they're clicking on like a button that's supposed to take them to a different scene, um, rather than it just being like instant. I'd also like to improve the favorites in my app. Right now, you can't like actually favorite something, so I'd like to add in that feature. I've kind of pre-developed a little bit of it, but not much. Um, so yeah, my focus between now and the final submission is to uh, polish the app up, add in features for favoriting, maybe clean up the visuals, and scene transitions. Um, and if I get time, I'd really like to improve the like background and the buttons. I realize that this is not the best looking. I've never used Figma before this class, so or I've never really taken a design class like this. So uh, I would like to improve how this looks to make it look more professionally developed, but that would probably be low on the priority list in terms of like getting the actual functions and stuff done. So yeah, that's my app. Just to kind of show really quick, you just kind of click a button. Um, and yeah, so also I got favorite scene. You can't, these are all manually added. I'd like to be able to dynamically add favorites and remove favorites. And then here's my search scene. It's also not the best. I'd like to make it more user friendly. And that's my pitch. Thank you.